Say hello to the MGUC 500 by Magnasonic, the simplest, most effective ultrasonic jewelry cleaner in the world. Using tap water, the MGUC 500 is all you need for pristine jewelry. It creates 42,000 cycles of ultrasonic energy to penetrate every crevice of your jewelry, glasses, watches, utensils, and more. You can even add a touch of ordinary dish soap for extra cleaning power. With a large 20-ounce tank, this ultrasonic cleaner can run on 5 different cleaning cycles, from 90 seconds for a light clean to 480 seconds to penetrate the most stubborn dirt. It's just as simple as filling the tank and pressing a button. There is no simpler, more effective way to keep your jewelry looking professionally clean. Thank you for choosing Magnasonic.